Let's say you're creating a webinar slide deck and want to reuse a few slides from another presentation you've already made. Instead of recreating those slides or copying and pasting individual text boxes and images, you can move the entire slides over in just a few clicks. First, open your new presentation in Canva. Switch to grid view so you can see all your slides at once. Next, open the presentation that contains the slides you want to reuse. Make sure this one is also in grid view. Now, select the slides you want to copy. Click the first slide, then hold Shift and click the last slide to select multiple slides at once. Once selected, copy them. On Windows, press Ctrl+C. On Mac, press Command+C. Go back to the presentation where you want to add those slides. Place your cursor exactly where you want them, then paste using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. And that's it. The slides are instantly added with all designs, text, and images intact. If they're not in the right position, just drag and reorder them. That's the fastest way to reuse slides in Canva without rebuilding anything from scratch. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.